Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the latest OPPO A95 that I have here. Now bear in mind that this video here, I can't share too much of the specifications with you. I can only share very minimal information, so just think of this as a purely unboxing video where you get to see the latest OPPO A95 here up close and personal. Alright, so we do have this A95 here in this really nice blue blackish kind of box here. Alright, so we're going to unbox this straight away without much ado. Let me get my knife here very quickly. So this is how we unbox stuff here on Lim Reviews. We just do it like that. And we just peel off the plastics over here. And yep, this is the box itself, unboxed very quickly, right in front of the camera. And there you go. We have the box here right up. And we're going to unbox this, like I said, right in front of the camera here. So first time seeing this device as well. Alright, so okay, as soon as we remove the lid, we do see this empty white box here, which is probably going to contain some accessories. I'm going to check out what's in here for you guys very quickly. We're going to open this box up. And yes, we do get the transparent case here, a very simple transparent case right here. Can you see it very clearly right there? Okay. And next, yes, we do get the OPPO A95 over here. I'm going to remove this device here very quickly for you to see. My color here is, let me check the color because this is quite a confusing color. I don't know what this color is called, but let me check on the box very quickly. This color is actually called the glowing rainbow silver. Alright, so we have this very unique glowing rainbow silver color here. I'm going to unwrap this very quickly, but let me show you guys what else comes in the box. So removing this thing here, we do have the charger here. Let me just check it very quickly. This is a 33-watt charger that comes in a box. And of course, last but not least, we also have the Type-C cable. And just like usual, we always open up all the cables on this channel here. So we're just going to remove this plastic right here, which is a bit tough to open. Okay. And this is the cable that we have in the box, the Type-C cable, guys. Alright, so that's it. Let's now unwrap the OPPO A95 so you guys can see it, how it looks like in this color right here. Actually, I think I can just pull it right here. And there you go, off with it. And of course, we're going to remove that sticker at the back. And this is how it looks like, guys. There you go, the brand new OPPO A95. You do get the camera cutout on the top left corner. It sticks out a little bit, which I think is completely fine. We have a triple camera setup that you can see over here. And it also comes with an LED flash on the side there. So very, very nice. The back panel here feels very matte-ish. It is a matte materials. You will not get any fingerprints at all on this guy here. Moving on to the sides, I do have this in chrome right here. It looks like a little bit of purple on the sides here. Let me know what you guys think for the OPPO A95. And at the front, we do get this display here, which again, I can't tell you whether it's LCD or AMOLED. I'm not supposed to let you know, but you do get a selfie camera on the top left section there, so that's something that you could tell. But yeah, let's take a look at this back panel here. It looks pretty nice. I think it's called the OPPO Glow series or something like that. So it's very, very nice here. If you just flip it from side to side, you actually notice a little shift in the gradient. It looks very cool, I would say here. Very typical of OPPO to come out with these kind of devices here. If you want to pre-order this A95 here from OPPO Malaysia, you can actually do so, and by pre-ordering, you'll be able to get the opportunity to add on an Encore buds for just RM1. So it's very, very interesting, the kind of purchase with purchase plan we have there. More information can be found in the description box below. Again, if you want to pre-order the OPPO A95 here in Malaysia, don't forget to check the links down below for more information on how you can get that extra Encore buds. Alright guys, stay tuned to the channel. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a like, sub to the channel if you want to see more content like this, and I hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody. Bye!